Section 6. Post-exploitation. In this section, we will talk about Metasploit post-exploitation modules, usage of Windows Capture, Gather, and Manage modules. One of the best features of Metasploit is tool arsenal for post-exploitation. Meterpreter is advanced multifunctional payload to leverage our capability. Through Meterpreter, you can run Capture, Gather, and Manage Metasploit modules. To enumerate the installed applications on compromised machine, we type run, post, Windows, Gather, then enum applications. The result shows all installed applications on target operating system. To enumerate logged on user on the system, we type run, post, Windows, Gather, enum logged on user. For USB history enumeration, we type run, post, Windows, Gather, USB history. So the result will show if there is any USB injected or ejected on the system. We can also use keylogger capture module by typing run, post, Windows, capture, keylogger. This module will capture keyboard keys entered by user. All the results are saved on relative path. You can read it by typing cat and the path of the file. Through Manage module, attacker can migrate into any process depending on the given privileges. You can also inject multi-payload on the same operating system. In my case, I'm going to inject bin TCP shell payload. And then connect it directly by backgrounding our Meterpreter session and then type connect with port choose before. Excellent.